The last type that we're going to have is a section. It's another way for you to get the shape of the distribution. Dot plots aren't always good to use. You want it to be, usually it's going to be discrete data, but it's going to be where you don't have really a whole lot of different outcomes and you have a lot of repetition among them. So if we look at the number of children had by each of the presidents of the U.S. and their wives, they're all whole numbers, and we've got a lot of repetition. You can see here we've got a whole bunch of zeros, got a couple ones, some twos floating around, a couple sixes. So since there's a lot of repetition going on, a dot plot would be a good idea for this one. If you have like something like decimals where most numbers show up once or maybe twice, dot plots aren't going to give you a good example of what the shape actually looks like. So in order for you to do dot plots, you want a data set that has some repetition in it. So if we come down here, this is what it would look like. Basically, we're going to take a number line, we're going to put all the numbers that we could potentially see on our number line, and then we're going to stack dots on top of each other. So if you look at the first option of 0, if you come up here, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros. So when you come down here above the 0, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros stacked on top of each other. And then here for 1, we've got 1 and 1. So we've got 2 1s that show up. So we've got 1, 2 dots stacked on top of each other. You can see here's our peak right here at 2, and it comes a lot with 6 for some reason. It tapers off, and then you've got this one random guy over here with 15 kids. So that's what a dot plot's going to look like. Again, with these ones, it's just going to be multiple choice, pick which one is correct. So this one says it's a good indication of where the values are concentrated, where the gaps are. So in this case, there's a big gap right here. And it says it is immediately apparent that the most frequent number of children is what? What's the most frequent number we see? 2. So 2. And how many presidents had more than 6 children? 4. 4. Yeah. So if it's more than 6, it's not including 6. So you don't want to count these ones. So more than 6 is the 7, the 8, the 10, and the 15. So there's 4. That's what dot plots do. They're not too bad. Those ones you can't do in your calculator, but you really don't have to because they should be pretty straightforward. Like I said, a lot of repetition with these types of